The purpose of this activity is for students to understand the relationship between the unit circle and the sine and cosine graphs. So it's a visual and physical way for students to learn that connection.
So this is our math project in our math class. We're working on the unit of trigonometry, and we want to take the more hands-on approach. And so we're drawing a unit circle using spaghetti, and we're using one spaghetti as 1 radian long. And to show how sine waves are shown, we plotted out the unit circle using 1 radian as a length, and then every 15 degrees we marked that, and we recorded the circumference of the circle. And then actually we measured an x-axis and showing all the degrees in pi radians. And then we're using each radian length like so, and we're getting the vertical height, and we're plotting it on the graph. And once we're done plotting it, it's going to show how a sine wave works. And that's our math project.